Hello and welcome. You are watching India Today So South, and I'm Afreen Hussain. In a string of ongoing legal battles, controversial YouTuber and whistleblower Savaku Shankar has been arrested once more. This time, the racecourse police arrested Savaku Shankar following a complaint alleging derogatory remarks against a freedom fighter. The complaint, filed on July 15th, led to charges under Section 153, 153A, 1A, 153A, 1B, 504, 505(2) of the Indian Penal Code. Shankar, who had been previously detained for making offensive comments about women police officers, now faces multiple charges filed by the police departments in Trichy, Coimbatore, and Nilgiris. After his latest arrest, he was presented before the court and transferred to Central Prison. The drama intensified on August 1st when Shankar experienced health issues during transit from Nilgiris to Chennai, leading to his admission to the government hospital in Salem. Following his discharge, Shankar made a bold accusation, blaming State Sports Minister Udayanidhi Stalin for all the legal actions against him. Savaku said that more false cases were being fostered as per the instructions from Udayanidhi and that Udayanidhi was responsible for his arrest.
இந்த அரசுக்கெல்லாம் உதயநிதி ஸ்டாலின் தான் காரணம்.
As you could see, that was Savaku Shankar and he blamed Udayanidhi Stalin for his arrest. As Savaku Shankar's legal troubles continue to mount, his accusations against Minister Udayanidhi Stalin, the son of Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin, adds a new layer of complexity to this controversy. For nearly 2 years, Savaku Shankar has been a big problem for the ruling DMK. He would criticize the previous AIA DMK government, and when the DMK took over, he began criticizing the MK Stalin led party as well. With a viewership of several lakhs, Shankar in his videos can be seen abusing and defaming people of all positions. He could also be seen using personal attacks, taking shots at the private lives of MK Stalin's family and others. Even senior bureaucrats, police officers, and state judges could not escape Shankar's verbal assault. Do you think there is any involvement of Udayanidhi Stalin in the arrest of Savaku Shankar, or do you think this is merely a political stunt to gain audience by Savaku Shankar? Whatever is your opinion, let us know in the comment section below. Until then, this is Afreen Hussain, and you are watching India Today Sosa.